So here we have 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 whole garlics, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can use white pepper, 2 cans of chickpeas, juice of 2 lemons, 1 cup of warm water, and extra virgin olive oil. So first we put the garlic and then the lemon juice. Add in our pepper and our salt, and then we blend. Once that's blended, add in your first can of chickpeas and add some generous extra virgin olive oil. And blend again. After which, add your second can of chickpeas. Add in some generous olive oil once again. And put your 1 cup of warm water. And blend again. And voila! You have your hummus. And there you have it, your hummus, 1 tub. So we used about 3/4 of the extra virgin olive oil. And when I serve, I like to use this. It's an olive oil with paprika for the toppings. So this is a healthy vegan snack for your coronavirus quarantine.